morning. We are on our way to the market to pick up some food for our couscous cooking class. So I will keep you updated as we go through the market to find the different foods that we need to make the couscous. Onions, eggplant, vegetables, carrot,
It's a type of zucchini. Slawi. Yeah. Slow. Some onions.
You're gonna cry, right?
We don't eat until we cry.
I'm used to using a cutting board.
I am too. I don't know how to do this.
Signing.
Right.
You did, in fact.
You're doing great.
So I don't have kids.
Now.
So I'm an auntie.
We put spices on small pockets and throw it on
Yes.
the soaps. So it's something a bit similar to it.
And that's parsley?
Yeah.
Now, do they choose different seasonings?
Right, I was like, I need to make a list of things that I want to buy on Friday. Well, I need another
That
list.
was on this for other people. I need a bowl. I need a circular grater. I need some olive oil.
Oh, I need that circular
And I
grater.
need a lamp.
Yes.
She was like, do you have my...
Okay, ginger.
Okay.
That's what?
How did ginger? That doesn't look like ginger.
I know. I was just more.
So I bought all the
What's that?
spices at the farm.
Turmeric.
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 Okay.
I bought all the spices.
Pepper.
Okay.
Easy.
That's how we know it. Do you love spiciest?
No, I know I do, but I'm probably the only
It's
one.
okay.
Medium.
Perfect.
We can all.
No, the turmeric is not gonna set you on fire. It's just
Oh,
gonna
no,
make it
not
tasty.
turmeric. No, yeah.
No, we can always add.
You know, we like
some.
spicy, but not
Okay,
hot.
what is this?
Yeah, it's salt.
Not like the
Look
Korean.
how it looks. Yeah. Exactly.
Yeah, it's different.
Yes.
We have the same one that you bought from the supermarket. Water.
It's water.
It's just in the same.
Tutu.
Get
my name right, honey. Get it right.
Get it right.
Ma'am.
Oh my God.
The ultimate couscous cookie class. This is why I don't taste the same.
You have tried the couscous in America?
Yes, but it's already made. It's not this.
Yeah.
It's like little rice balls, sort of.
Yeah.
Not like this, and this explains why it's fluffy. This is like making pasta at your house.
يا رب ما تيجوش مستوي حاجات. ما عرفوش الطريقة واش كاينة أصلا تما. ما عرفوا قالت لك
Magic.
This was worth the whole trip.
Ma'am, right.
That's an art form right there.
And that makes sense.
لا بس no, it's come. They are just like waiting for you to finish the caramelize.
I don't want the shoe.
No.
Look at that. Look at that texture.
I know, look at the texture. How do you know when it's just right?
You know, in Moroccan cuisine, you just like your eyes, your balance. Your sense are your balance. إلا ما قفلتو لا فوتو. So if you didn't close it like this steam will get outside. It won't go to the top.
Okay.
So it won't be cooked on steam. That's why
Gotcha.
they say this cloud.
And that's just regular cloth.
Yes, yeah.
Not like a
Or you
towel.
can use also the foil.
Yes.
Yeah.
So are you like sifting it? It's like we sift.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it felt
Just
like.
it needs to be closed very well so the
Real
steam
tight.
gets outside. It should not get
Real
outside.
tight.
Yeah.
But this goes on top of the pot with the chicken.
Yes.
And also she get the chicken flavor and
Yeah, that's flat.
Y'all get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. All right.
Gotcha.